there was a famous writer by the name of Taslima Nasreen. She said that the glorious Quran says that the sun revolves around the earth. So how can we believe in such an illogical book? If you want to advance, I challenge any human being to point out a single verse of the glorious Quran which says that the sun revolves around the earth. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 33, هو الذي خلق الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر كل في فلك يسبحون. It is Allah who has created the night and the day, the sun and the moon, each in its orbit moving in its own motion. And I explained regarding the meaning of the word yasbahun, which refers to the motion of the sun. Besides it revolving, it even rotates about its own axis. So nowhere does the glorious Quran say that the sun, it revolves around the earth. So therefore, when we are talking to people of other faith, we should talk about the commonality and we should talk about Tawheed, that is the oneness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.